9 to 5, put the work in. Flaws and all, I love them all. Don't be a perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. Cause I don't want...
Hey y'all, it's your girl Riri from Texas. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I am going to do a makeup tutorial for you guys today. It's going to be some glam, not heavy glam, but it's going to be some glam in here. It's going to be more towards your fall look. So, because y'all know it's in that fall season, I love a cute fall look. So that's what we're going to do here today. In the video, I'm going to take you through all the products that I'm using. I am going to show you how to apply a nice cute fall lip, nice cute fall eyeshadow. So if that is something you're interested in learning and seeing the products that I use to create this fall look, continue to watch this video so that you can get more details on my fall look. Thank you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave me your thoughts at the end about what you're thinking about this look. You guys is getting a voiceover today. I know y'all seen me talking in the introduction, but it's just easier for me to do it this way. I'm starting with moisturizer. I always start with moisturizer, of course, the clean face. I'm also using some primer. Now, this is not a step I always do, but as I'm getting older, my pores are starting to open up more around my nose and around my cheekbones. So I like to use a poreless primer to go ahead and close those pores up so your girl makeup can be looking flawless. This mirror, I caught myself trying to show y'all. I should have just turned my camera up a little bit more. So I recently got this mirror installed in my bathroom. Baby, game changer. If you want to get a link to that mirror, it is in my Amazon storefront under mirrors and sink attachments. So yes, baby, if you're looking for something to turn you up, get it. Okay, so we're gonna go on to the eyebrows. I am using Maybelline. I can't think what it's called, but that's what I'm using. You couldn't really see it because I used to use the top part to dab off of the excess or the extra makeup product from my eyebrows. Now I use that little finger palette, baby, game changer, also in my Amazon storefront. I'll put the link below to my Amazon storefront and you'll be able to get everything that I'm using on this video. So I'm starting with my eyebrows today. I've been doing my eyebrows last lately, but today I decided since I was gonna do a medium to full look, we was gonna start with them eyebrows, honey. Now we're going into the foundation. Ooh, excuse me. Now we're going into the actual eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is giving fall. Look at that orange, girl. It's so pigmenty. I'm not gonna lie, this foundation palette is still a staple in my collection. It's the Jaclyn Hill. It's a Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe. I can't think of the actual name, but you've seen the palette. I'll upload it in the description below. But look at that pigment. Look at it. If that ain't giving fall, autumn, glam, baby, what is? Because that is it, and it's so pretty. It's so rich. So yes, let me quit talking like they paying me to say this. But I did use this color on my eyes. I also used 2 different browns from this same palette to create the full eyeshadow look. And when I tell y'all it was giving, honey. Yes, that's how I'm feeling. That's how I'm feeling. So I did show you where I was dabbing the brown colors that I'm actually using, and I'm going to take that in my creases, and I'm going to fluff it on out to a light smoky. I like smoky. I didn't want to go too heavy on the smoke because I wanted this look to be something you could wear in the daytime or in the evening. You know, I didn't want it to be too heavy to where we're looking like too drastic in the daytime. And I'm gonna finish it off with that brown in the corners. I always like to dab it in so it can be kind of rich. Baby, I was looking at my shirt to see, did we already get the white shirt dirty? Because I said, why would I do some makeup in a white shirt? But baby, I said I was up for the challenge, honey. Let's go. So I'm actually taking a clean brush and just blending. If you don't do nothing else with your life, child, you better learn how to blend. color corrector. So when I start like stressing, and I don't know why I'm stressing, the whole right side that you can see of my face, it always breaks out. So I'm going to go in and color correct, and I'm actually going to color correct a lot of the right side of my face where I've had some breakouts and I got some scarage. So I'm going to start color correcting until I actually, you know, get rid of that scarage. Because your girl can't be out here looking like spotted with the foundation. So I'm looking, oh, and when I did my makeup the other day, my nose had like some discoloration. So I said, baby, we're gonna go ahead and color that on up too. We're gonna get go ahead and get on up on that nose. So yeah, I'm going on in. And if you're not color correcting, baby, I don't know what you're doing in life. You need to figure it out, honey, because that ain't it. We need to color correct. I'm going in with my OG Faithful Fit Me by Maybelline. Y'all know that's my, I love this foundation. It is medium to full coverage. I think I put 2 layers of this on because I didn't want it to be too full, but I wanted it to be covered enough to where it could go in and cover up the color corrector that I was using, that I am using. And we went in with a brush this time. Towards the end, I didn't put it on camera. I did use my beauty blender to go ahead and smooth it out and give it a air fresh look. For this look, I'm going to actually use 2 different powders. I'm going to be using the translucent powder by Laura Mercier and then the Sacha Buttercup. I'm only going to put the translucent right in the corner of my eyes. I like how it kind of like all comes together when I do that. And I'm going to go ahead and take, y'all know what I just realized? I did not do my concealer on camera. I knew I had like skipped a couple of steps, but I did not do my concealer. Oh, okay. Well, I use LA CoverGirl. Is it? Yeah, LA Pro CoverGirl, whatever. Not CoverGirl. LA. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I'll link it below. So yes, now we're coming to the end. There's a lot of stuff that I did not do. I will make y'all guys another super in-depth video, but this is giving straight matte fall. Your girl looking good. We're going in with a lip liner and some gloss. Make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. I'm gonna see if I need to bring this light down a little bit. All right, y'all, so this is giving so much fall, autumn, glam. It's snatched, it's matte. That is the most important. It is a cute, friendly lip, cute, friendly eye. Everything about this is saying, autumn, what we doing? It's fall. We here. We done made it through. So yes, please give me a thumbs up if you like this look, if you like this makeup tutorial, and you want more of these from y'all girl. So yes, tell me what y'all think about this look. Are you gonna be rocking this look? What we doing? So thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys on my next tutorial.